want to show you how to do a file transfer with a Smart Pendant.
With the USB in the back of the pendant, from the home page, you're going to go to Menu, Utility, File Transfer. Here's a file transfer page. You can see you're going to transfer from the controller or to the controller. We're going to go from the controller. You can select on individual files, or you can select them all. You can change your target. Once you have your files selected, press the Copy from Controller button, confirm your pop-up box, and now we're backing up. Once it's complete, you can remove the USB stick, and you are finished.